Namaste and welcome to each and every one of you. Let's take in a deep breath and center ourselves. Yes. And let us begin this chant, singing it together. Yes, you can sing. Doors closing, doors opening, doors closing, doors I am opening. It's only change and I am safe. So let us begin to sing. Closing doors I'm opening, I am safe, it's only change. I am safe, it's only change. Doors closing, doors. Sing along. It's only change. I am safe, it's only change. Doors closing, doors opening, doors closing, doors I'm opening. I am safe, it's only change. I am safe, it's only change. Now let us close our eyes for a few moments and walk through this visualization. Having closed your eyes, notice in your mind's eye that there is a hallway or a corridor in front of you. And this hallway in front of you has doors on either side. And to one side, there are old doors, ready to be closed to the past. What is it that you are ready and willing to close the door upon now from the past? It could be fear. You could be ready to close the door on anger. You could be ready to close the door on hurt. You could be ready to close the door on sadness. Anything. Close those doors one by one. And now, having closed those doors, you walk along and you notice on the other side there are these beautifully painted doors, so beautifully created and so lovely standing there. You are ready to open these beautifully painted doors. What are you willing to open the door to in your life now? Joy, new relationships, different behaviors, new ways of thinking, whatever it is for you. Open each beautifully painted door one by one. You have the power to allow new beginnings into your life. Yes, you do. Open a new door, one by one. Now gently stand still, having closed and opened new doors. Take in a deep breath, and when you're ready, stretch and open your eyes. Stretch and open your eyes. Take out your journal, pick up your pen and enter. What is it that you closed doors on? what is the new beginning that you're willing to allow into your life now? And what are the 3 things that you really, really want now? Maybe you want to start playing a new instrument, you want to learn dancing, you just have realized that you have this beautiful new color that you wish to bring into your life. You want to see a particular drama, you would like to go to a concert, whatever it is, write it down. And let that be your intention for the next few days that we are together. And having written that, let us together fold our hands to express gratitude. Taking in a deep breath, allowing yourself to relax. Let us open our heart to love. And as we expand in love, be willing to allow the divinity into our lives, sending love to each and every person around us, our parents, our family, friends, teachers, and everyone who serves us today in this hour, doctors, nurses, everybody who's doing their best right now to be of great support to us. And express gratitude and thanks to yourself as well for being present in this moment and doing whatever you can do in your own unique way. You are awesome, you're worthy, you are loved, really, really loved. Take care of yourself, appreciate yourself, and have a wonderful, joyous day. Thank you. See you soon. I love you.